Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, we're going to talk about the Cronos blockchain. That's right, we're going to talk about CRO and why I believe it will explode in 2023. Like, if you've been following my channel, you already know how I feel about the Cronos blockchain and CRO. I believe it's going to be one of the biggest crypto projects in the future. They have an amazing team. The marketing is crazy. Just everything behind the entire project, I believe in, man. So we're going to talk about CRO and just some of the key statistics that I've been looking at and just watching the chain grow as we speak. So we're going to get into that. But before we do, man, make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I got different videos just showing you different ways how you can get into the crypto space, how you can start buying NFTs, how to mint NFTs, how to get on DeFi wallets, and much, much more, man. So check that out. And I also got a crypto.com playlist, or a Cronos blockchain playlist, rather. So check all of those playlists out. Tap in, like this video, and subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And also, I gotta let you know, this is not financial advice whatsoever. This is just me pretty much going over what I'm investing in and why I invest in whatever it is. So before you invest in cryptocurrencies, make sure you consult with the financial advisor and all of that good stuff. So enough of that. Let's get straight into it. Crypto Tro, y'all know the business, man. Let's go. Let's look at the charts. Let's look at what the charts are saying right now. So we see currently CRO is at 11 cents, and we know that all-time high was going crazy earlier. Almost, I think it did eventually hit $1 somewhere or close enough to it. You know what I'm saying? Because I know when everybody was going crazy, you know, when they announced it. So right up there in November, we know the announcement of the crypto.com arena in LA came. So we almost hit that dollar in November, and then we just shot off since then. But you already know you gotta sell the news, man. Nobody buys the news. Only people who don't know about the investing just basics buy the news. But you always want to sell the news when something big like that happen. Load up your bags to sell and then catch it at the bottom. But we see, like I said, it is still in the bear market, so we really can't think too much of it because everything is down, man. Bitcoin down. So if Bitcoin goes up, things go up higher than Bitcoin. But when Bitcoin goes down, you got to also expect that on the downside as well. So Bitcoin is more stable, but these altcoins, they do move very, very fast and sharp, man. So this is one of those times of good accumulation periods. I believe right now I'm just really stacking my CRO, buying some NFTs on the Cronos blockchain, and really just let my money work for me right now because I do believe CRO will appreciate in the future. But let's just look at it. So they say crypto.com has been rebranded to Cronos. So we know it's right now it's the Cronos and CRO. But it's still, you know, crypto.com, you get the gist. So we see, like I said, price is at 11 cents, and we down about 2.7 or 3% on a day. But we see the market cap is at $2.8 billion. Then a fully diluted market cap is $3.4 billion. Then the volume on today is $15.2 million, down 21%. So, like I said, man, we still are in the top cryptos with the market cap of $2.8 billion. And then we see we rank 23 out of the top 100 cryptocurrencies. So crypto.com is just floating up and around there. But like I said, the marketing behind it is just crazy because they're putting their face out there. They're giving these incentives to sign up. And then I'm just going to show you some little things that I see also that's going to grow the Cronos blockchain as well. But let's go to DeFi Llama real quick. And DeFi Llama is just showing pretty much how much money is locked onto the blockchain itself, not on just the actual price of that cryptocurrency, but on the blockchain itself. So we see Cronos is coming in at number 7, man. And we see right now today, the 1 minute change down 9%, and the total value lock is $1.12 billion. So still in the top 10 in the DeFi sector. Like I said, Cronos is going to continue to build out because I believe it can eventually reach top 5 just because of, I believe they have the best suite of products to introduce people into the DeFi sector, because you got to get, when you get the crypto.com app, or when you search it, the DeFi wallet is going to come up too. And once people start putting two and two together, and once it start more videos and more people recognize you can earn a higher percentage in the DeFi sector, people are going to want to download the crypto.com DeFi wallet as well. And what makes it so easy is that with the crypto.com wallet or the crypto.com app, you can easily send your crypto off the exchange or off the centralized exchange into your own custody on the DeFi wallet. And also the DeFi wallet supports many blockchains, man. So that's something we got to look forward into. And that's one of the reasons I believe crypto.com will continue to grow and will continue to cover or take over more of the DeFi sector just because of the easy onboarding to DeFi that crypto.com introduces. So we see the all-time highs was around, 3 billion, somewhere around it. Well, not necessarily all time. I think that's just since the beginning of 2021, but that was pretty much all time because the chain came around in December. So we see it got up to 3.2 billion. But when we click on CRO, man, we see it continues to go up. As far as USD, yes, we are down as far as total value, but the CRO on chain continues to go up in a good fashion. It did right there in June, but it came right back up. And now we really are pretty much at all-time highs of having CRO on the blockchain. So that's something we got to look forward to because one CRO is one CRO, like they said about Bitcoin. One CRO is one CRO, man. And just more CRO being on the blockchain is pretty much, I believe, a good sign to kind of show like people are keeping their CRO in self-custody rather than having it on the crypto.com app or a centralized exchange. And I always say once it gets off that centralized exchange, people are more likely to hodl, and it just takes more out of circulation. And I believe that just pretty much improves the price because it's less sell pressure on the token. So when we go down, we see, of course, VBS is number one, Tectonic coming in at number two, then MMF coming in at number three. So a lot of projects are loaded, especially these top projects, because they are flagship projects of the Cronos blockchain. So I like to see the blockchain continue to work out because they're not going to let these projects fail, in my personal opinion. So enough of that, man. I wanted to show you just some weekly Cronos news updates, man. So the highlights of the week: Coin98 wallet supported Cronos on the browser. Then we say Go Plus Security joined the Cronos ecosystem. So Coin98 is one of those wallets that a lot of people use. So that's going to be something major. And then we see too, the number of transactions have fluctuated on chain. So we see it's been down since July the 4th, but we still are reaching about 100,000 transactions a day, man. So on average, it's still a lot of transactions going on the chain. A lot of people still are using the chain. It's not just a ghost chain. So there's something that attracts my eye as well. And also, if we look on chain for the data, we can see it was executed in total 781,000 transactions. And then we increased the wallet addresses over 7.6K, man. So wallets are increasing. More people are coming to the blockchain. More people are getting introduced to the Cronos DeFi side of things. And that's very, very bullish because it's really about network effect. If this network continues to grow and more people come to this network, we're going to see Cronos continue to build out and continue to be strong in the future because the network is growing and more people are being introduced to this. And this is borderless pretty much. If you had a DeFi wallet and you know how to interact with it, it's borderless. So this means a lot of people worldwide can literally connect to this network and build on top of it. So another thing I want to show is just the weekly total volume of crypto.com exchange. Now, I know this doesn't have anything to do with the actual crypto.com blockchain, but that's what brings me back to the entire crypto.com marketing side and their suite of products, because they not only have the DeFi wallet or the crypto.com wallet, the crypto.com app, but they also have the crypto.com exchange where you can trade cryptos with leverage, man. And we see what happened with FTX and projects like those, they just exploded just because they were great exchanges. But crypto.com as the entirety of the products, man. And I love that about crypto.com because it's hitting every point of crypto, in my personal opinion. And even if they fail in one, they got to succeed in something just because of everything that they're doing and how they're connecting and how they're pretty much networking with these blockchains. But not only that, but actually growing out their app and the crypto.com exchange. So we can see since, March, the volume of crypto.com exchange has continued to increase, man. So on June or July 9th, we saw it was a total of $531 million being traded weekly on crypto.com exchange. So that's another good sign. Just the volume continue to pump on these exchanges. Now, of course, they're trading leverage, but like I said, they are actually using the crypto.com product. So that's something else that really catches my eye, just showing how it continues to grow and more people are actually using the exchange and using the DeFi wallet and signing up for the crypto.com app. So just bringing more people into the network and watching it grow. So those are pretty much my reasons why I believe crypto.com, the Cronos, and CRO will explode in 2023 once we get out this bear market. But only time will tell. Everything is being worked out. Everything is being pretty much put together right now. But I believe crypto.com will be one of the best crypto projects in terms of appreciation, and also not just appreciation, but in terms of having one of the best suite of projects or suite of applications as a crypto project. So I'm Crypto Troll. That's my video for today. If I added value to you, like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, I got a lot of videos on there that's showing different ways to get into crypto. So take heed and just tell me what you think about it, man. Like it, leave a comment and all of this. So hope everybody having a good day. Enjoy your day. I'm out of here.